So what you want to inspect on your daily inspection, every time you use S Blaster, take a look at it, make sure everything is on the up and up and in good working order. Right, so first off, let's look at the hand tool, make sure it's in good condition. Take a look at our corrugating tubing, make sure it is in good condition. And then finally, we want to open up the HEPA filter here by just turning, hitting that tri-wing interface there, pulling it off, and inspecting what our pre-filter looks like. The job of this pre-filter is to stop large particles before they hit the filter, to the HEPA filter, to give us a little more life on this. So this is fairly dirty here, as you can see, but what you really want to notice is if this is domed up at all towards the filter, then it's not getting enough air going out, and you could have some issues like blast not working well enough, or media might be being expelled from the nose of the hand tool itself. So check that pre-filter, make sure it's nice and clean. If it is, you're good to go. If it's not, just take it out and put your new one in. Right, we take our little O-ring here and put our HEPA filter back on. Twist it, lock it into place. Now you're ready to rock and roll. So now we're going to talk a little bit about troubleshooting. Troubleshooting S Blaster is very, very simple. It's going to be reliant on the process you're seeing and the results you're seeing. Also, as I had mentioned earlier, if you pull the trigger and you see media start to expel out of the nose of the piece, that often means that there's not enough airflow moving out of the HEPA filter. So first spot is to check there. As you saw earlier, I pulled the HEPA filter off, inspect your pre-filter, change it out as needed, put your filter back on, and go back to work. If you notice that there's no media coming out, the first check is to grab a 3/16 punch. You're going to put it down inside the S Blaster nozzle, and we're going to pull just the trigger here. That should clear out any clogs you might have. As always, with everything S Blaster or E-Drill, if your simple troubleshooting steps at home don't work, please reach out on the customer hotline or call your local E-Drill S Blaster sales representative, and we'll point you in the right direction.